What are you having for dinner?
Pizza.
Is it good pizza, Isla?
Yeah.
Are you Isla? Chew with your mouth closed, please. It's gnarly. Isla, you gotta eat up the bread part too. You can't just eat the cheese off the pizza. The whole point of pizza is to have the bread and the sauce and the cheese together. Otherwise, you could eat a paleo string cheese. In fact, that's what led to the innovation of that product. String cheese, because people just like to eat the cheese off their pizza, so they decided to make string cheese. Maybe Mommy will just get you some string cheese, Isla. Eat the toast. Yeah, it's like toast with sauce. Yeah, can you eat the bread, please?
And infinity and armpits.
To infinity and armpits?
Yeah.
That would be Buzz Lightyear. Mouth closed. Isla, eat up your bread. No, you have to eat the bread first, and then you could have more cheese. Okay. Thanks. Eat that all up, and then Mommy will give you some more cheese. No, not just the sauce. Eat the bread, please. Take a bite. Bite. Good bites. There you go. Good job. 3 more bites. Eat that whole piece, and then you could have more cheese. Smushing it up into little pieces doesn't really count.
Yay,
Yep, eat that whole bite. Eat the whole bite.
Okay.
Thank you. Good job.
More cheese?
Eat that bite, and then you get more cheese. Can you say please?
Please.